sweetheart not grown so cold. That loving breast of thine, that thou canst never once reflect on old lang syne. My heart is ravished with delight when thee I think upon. All grief and sorrow takes the flight as speedily is gone. The bright resemblance of thy face so fills this heart of mine, that false no fate can be displeased for lang syne. Since faults doth banish grief, when from thee I am gone, will not thy presence yield relief to this sad heart of mine? Why doth thy presence me defeat with excellence still mine, especially when I reflect on old lang syne? Make a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet. We'll take a cup of kindness yet. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne, for old lang syne.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and